expert servicing DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Today, let's discuss preparing your home to list. I want to share 5 important points about pre-listing preparation. Let's get into it. Number 1, finding the right agent. Most sellers go with the first agent that contacts them through a referral or that just contacts them by cold calling. That is fine. However, you want to ensure you are in the best care and that your agent will really educate you on the process. It can be a very stressful process, but you want someone who's going to guide you through that process. Number 2, it's critical and a must to schedule a tour of your home with your agent. In order to price the home right, the agent needs to see it. They need to actually be able to look at the home so that it can compare to other properties, but also looking at the condition of the home to see if there are any necessary repairs that need to take place prior to listing. We want to get top dollar for your property, okay? Number 3, let's talk about staging. Staging is important. Making sure the home is inviting to the buyers and that they feel welcome when they see it. Buying a home is emotional. It's a feeling. It's that, yeah, this is the home, right? If the property is empty, staging can help elevate the home to allow the buyer to see how it can be furnished. And then on the other hand, if you're occupying the property, decluttering is definitely necessary. Your home may need like a fresh coat of paint or, having it professionally clean. For those of us who have fur babies, that's a must. It's just, it gives an inviting feeling for buyers. So staging can certainly help you in getting top dollar for your home, right? And then let's talk about pricing. If you price it right, they will come. There's normally 3 reasons homes sit on the market. 2 of those are within our control. 1 is not in our control. The condition of the home is in our control. We can do things to upgrade the home to get top dollar. And then, of course, there's pricing. Overpricing your home will keep your home on the market. Honestly, gone are the days of, when homes were selling like hotcakes during COVID. People were waiving contingencies, which was risky business for our buyers. That's no longer the playing field. It's really a level playing field right now. And you want to price it right so that you drive buyers to your home. And your agent should have your best interests at heart, right? And so we have to explain to you the difficulties in selling your home. If it's not priced accurately, you'll end up having to do price reductions, and sometimes that can even taint how the buyer looks at a home, right? So pricing it right the first time is always the way to go. And then let's talk about 5, just having a poor marketing strategy for your home. That can really be risky. You want to take professional photos. You want to have, your agent should have a strong marketing plan. We're not just throwing it on the MLS and praying someone will come by. We want to be deliberate. We want to do targeted marketing. We want to use just sold postcards to specific areas for specific buyers. We may even want to do paid social media ads. The point is having a strong marketing plan. You want an A1 listing strategy, and your agent should be able to provide you with those details and what that clearly looks like. All right. So those are just 5 tips for those who are thinking about selling your home. I'm going to share more tips for sellers in another video. And as always, I'm always here to educate you. Education is power, so that you can make informed decisions for you and your family, okay? That's it for today. And if you have any questions, definitely look at my details in the description. You can contact me directly. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a great day.